What's up, everybody? This is Handyman 3000. Look, if you have a 2012 Nissan Versa with a 1.6 in it, if you have a problem that you need to replace your oil, it's called a oil cooler gasket. All right, this is what you do. What you have to do is you have to take off your oil filter. So I already have this right here unloosed already, so take that off just like that. If you need to get it loose or something like that, you can use an oil filter wrench or just a big pair of channel locks. Okay, now your filter's off. This is your filter right here. You're going to use 2012 Nissan Versa. Now, what you're going to need now is a 7/8 socket on a 1/2 inch ratchet. My ratchet right here has an extension on it, so that makes it easier to get in here and get it out. Okay, when you turn this, it's a bolt that's inside of here that's gonna hold this oil cooler on. So what you have to do is you have to stick your ratchet on there and you'll turn it to the left. All right, so okay, so this one's already pre-loosed already. So now I can show y'all how to get this stuff out of here, man. All right, let's see. Okay, this is gonna be a pretty big bolt that's gonna be on here. Okay, you have 2 lines that's hooked to your cooler. You don't have to take those off. Okay, all right, some oil's gonna leak out. Here's your cooler bolt right here. All right, don't forget this right here, 7/8 socket. You can put on here. Okay. All right, so after getting the cooler off, here's the gasket right here at the back. Okay, that's your old gasket. One sec, let me get another gasket. All right, this is a new one right here. This comes from O'Reilly Auto Parts, part number 72493. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, now once you do all this and get all that out of there, what you're gonna do is make sure every time to wipe any type of excess oil off of your engine, because you want to make sure you don't have any leaks. All right, so stick this right here and get that super clean. Wipe everything up, wipe all the mating surfaces up. Okay, even right here where the gasket is, all this. All right, you're gonna make sure all this stuff is clean. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. All right, got that clean there. So okay, now right here, right here, this is the back part of it right here. So all you're gonna do, well, you have to clean that part too, and you're gonna slide the O-ring inside of a groove. It's a groove that's on the back part hooked to this And you have to clean that. Actually, you have to clean that too. And then get that. Be able to get the new one in there. All right, so okay, slide it in the groove. See here, trying to get it inside. One second, y'all. Still trying to get it inside. Let's see what we got here. All right, this is gonna be real stretchable. Still trying to stretch it in the groove. Okay. These are a little tough to get on. About to get it on. Just give me a few minutes. Okay. Okay. Now it's on there. You just have to get it inside that groove. Make sure. Wipe it down again a little bit. Okay. Alright, it's gonna be one little notch that's like right here on the bottom part. You're gonna stick this notch right here on this metal piece. Right here. That's just a notch to hold it, everything together in place, so that when you stick your bolt in there, it'll guarantee not move. Alrighty. Alright, so stick that there. Alright, that's gonna hold it in place. After that, put your bolt back in, tighten it up. Alright, you got to get it perfectly in there. It has a lot of threads on it. What's the little trick when you put it on there is to stick your bolt through your cooler and touch the threads on your motor. That's how to get it started, real easy. It's just a little trick. Alright, gonna keep tightening it up. Okay. Alright, now you're gonna go back, get your 7/8 socket and 1/2 inch ratchet, 1/2 drive ratchet, and you're gonna start tightening it up. Pretty much when you tighten it up, you can put just put enough pressure on it that it's tight. Don't get it too tight. You don't want to get it too tight because it's going to cause your O-ring to get bent in. Okay, now after this, all you're going to do is re-put your fuel filter on there. Pretty much these threads right here is what you're going to put your fuel filter on. And make sure to have all your oil drained before you do this. All right, peace out, y'all.